phony pizza for us, then we'd have to give him cash. Thanks, Liz. How many people are watching me? I will ask. 323? Soft white underbelly. I like helping people, but then I like them to go away. Nah, he's not dangerous. You keep getting email made for me? Anything interesting? Baraka and your money and your heart. Thank you, Miaker. Inshallah. That's what I think, weird Barbie, you know? Even if I have a little bit, I still have something I'm grateful for, you know? So, I don't have much, but very interesting emails. Yeah, I bet. I'm glad it's better you than me. How much for my laptop? We're gonna go see. I have no idea how much a laptop is. We're gonna go to check it out. I wish I was a homeless Ottawa local. Liz. Yeah, my PayPal is here. I just pin it just because everyone does, you know. If you are 15 short on the laptop, I will crash out. Hello, Peggy. Hello. I have no idea where Salah is. He's probably living his life. Married. Syria. He started a business, another business. So, businesses in Syria are not expensive to open.